Hello winners, welcome to another Forex trade review for gold, EURUSD, pound USD, USDCAD and pound JPY. As we did a video on Saturday, now today we're going to go through how the market went, what can we learn, what can we make out of this market this week. So let's go. My name is Ewinningstrategy. I am a Forex trader and economist. I have traded for 6 years now, and I have a master's degree in economics. So I feel like I am fairly educated enough to tell you what you can do in this market. Well, technically, that's what we're going to go through, and also we're going to go through some events that has happened this week. Okay, ready? Let's go. Gold. For gold, we have had this week, and well, for this month, basically we have hit take profit. This is the hit take profit. It went early. We hit weekly profit last week. Then this time around, we are sideways. What could you expect? And what would you like to see? So let me just zoom a bit. Okay, good. What would you love to see? Well, as a buyer, you were like, oh, this is nice. Very nice. Oh, even nicer. But then that low there is too low for me. If it went down here, I would be okay. Then continue up. Technically, this went south. So there is no buy opportunity. There is also no sell opportunity. So if you have sold gold this week, you have not done your job. If you have bought gold this week, you could have potentially have done your job. But well, you don't know until later on. But maybe you took a small loss. But buying it down here, that is on the same level as this supposedly reversal. That puts me off, and surely I'm right. And then after all, can you then sell it down here again? No, you cannot. This is where you sell, up in this pink area. So yeah, and then price went sideways after that. Fair enough. If you lost money on this one, you should review all of my remarks. And this gold seems to be like, okay, there is not a lot of risk left in the market right now, so we're just going to hold it there until we figured it out. But so the Iran war did not continue on, though there was some other missile strikes that didn't flourish, and then but only took Iraqi troops that could have made this gold move. We also have had the trade war phase 1 agreement signed on Wednesday. That didn't seem to move the market, so we're left in a sideways market. And no profit target has been hit, so it's an inside week, and we're like, meh, whatever. EURUSD, on the other hand, is a pain in... Yeah, I'm not going to say the rest, but I hope you agree with that. So what did we do this month of January? We sold this one. Amazing run down. Ooh, nice. Then when we came down here, price went quite fast up, and I think on that move here in this area, I took my profit, and price went up again. And what did I do now? I did not sell this part, as far as I remember. Maybe I sold it on my $50 account challenge. And then we went down here again. And now we are here back in this week. We're coming up to this one. And here we are in this area I bought. Because, it's a good one. But I am so devastated because price went down. Even though I know Well, here we are. This is supposed to be, this really hurts because I lost money here. This is supposed to be what I teach myself and you to be the golden ticket to profits. When you have price coming down, it makes a double bottom, it makes a higher high, that becomes the neckline. So it will small hit that price. It can also then come back later on, which is this price. But a third time, definitely. Like this is 1, this is 2. Definitely 100%. That is what I know. And I took took a loss somewhere here. Like this is going too fast, too down. I'm like, okay, I'm getting out. This is still bearish, and price went up. Now here we are again. Ewinningstrategy is still not done being stupid this week, and I buy here, and I buy here. On this pullback here, there's a new high, and then there's a pullback here, and then I bought that again. Well, it's all according to my rules of engagement, but it's just so late. I even said in the group that it is late, and here we are being late, and we have to exit down here. Why on earth, first of all, did I exit down here? I know when you have a new low like this one, I know a million times that is warning sign, get out. But even though I had to, 3 times what I could have gone on here, I left out with here. Okay, this is going down in history. This is what I will write down in my journal. Seriously, do not enter the market when price is in the sell zone. It is called chasing price. If you want to enter, you could enter in the buy zone, mostly in the buy price. This is the buy price. This is the buy price. Nothing else. Okay? I know that is my rules of engagement. Down here, I can do that in my blindness. But okay, enough about me. I am short-term seller, long-term buyer, and I just hope that this monthly buy we're going to kick it off because it was quite perfect. We came down, took the target, good. Made a new high, good. Made a reversal, good. Everything is good. Just my engagement this week has been off. Okay? About me. I don't know what you did, but if you entered here, here, anything above 11, 13, we have to have a discussion of where we want to enter. And sometimes you just have to leave entries because, okay, fine. On the pound, on the other hand, well, in this case, I'm still short pound. And I sell here, I guess, because there's a new low, there's a pullback, anticipating it to go lower again. It did not, so it hit my stop loss there as well. Congratulations. Where do you want to sell, Evan? Well, are you selling this? Is okay for me. This is okay. I'm not going to put myself through this, but this was out of position and I wanted to come lower. It should have been down here. So, well, what it should have done was this. Then have gone higher and then back to this price. Totally okay. I didn't see that at the time. I saw it as a pullback. Let's take it down again. Fair and square enough. That's okay. If you did anything else, if you bought here after this double bottom, higher high, higher low, fine. It's not where it's supposed to be. It should have been lower if you should have bought, but pattern wise, that's what you do. Okay? Congratulations to you who made profit on this week's pairs. Congratulations. I will come get ya. USDCAD I've not been trading, but this seems to be a range to me. No target has been hit as to all the USDs this week. Of those we have been covered today. So, okay. What can we learn here? That price doesn't do what you want it to do. Even though it came up to sell price, it went lower and then it went higher. And I believe somebody bought this one when it was down here. This could much more has just been a continuation to the lower side. Very dangerous strategy if you ask me. This week you were saved. Maybe not last night. Maybe not next week. By the way, this is a good sell from this part, so I would still consider this to be bearish until it challenges 131. Okay, good. Started off at the buy price, by the way, but yeah. Next one is pound yen, and I'm a bear on this one, so I have clearly left this to be alone. We sold pound up here. We took profit. I took profit. Maybe in here somewhere. Maybe I don't know. This one was a bit messy because I got all this run, went back up, and then it didn't go down again. And for this week, I haven't been selling it because after this pullback, lack of a new low, I'm like, okay, I'm not going there. Then I'm totally okay with that being the profit target for this week. I'm going to chase it 1st of February. And that means that I am done for the month of January. I'm not going to do anything else until this becomes bearish. Is this bearish now? No, it's not. Not even a million years. So that was your entry. Perfect entry. Exit is fairly okay. So what did we talk about the other video that I have made this week? Profit and entry and targets, exits. This is technically your entry. This is technically your entry. And then technically your entry. This is your target. So that's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 times that you can enter and take profit. That was how many perps this week? 210. Congratulations. In this video, we've gone through gold, euro, pound, USDCAD, pound JPY. I hope you have learned something from this video. I will mark this week to be a terrible week for me in terms of how I enter, and I have made a lot of mistakes. I will try to not do it again. I hope you also have some kind of better experience of this week. So until next time, and by the way, I did not lose a lot of money, by the way. Until next time, play safe, don't risk money you cannot afford to lose.